How to sell on Amazon FBA. The basics. If this is the first time you've discovered Amazon FBA, don't worry. We want to make sure you understand how it all works. This part of the video will cover the basics of how to sell on Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA literally means Amazon fulfilled by Amazon. In the Amazon FBA program, Amazon does all the hard work for you. Here's how it works. First, you send Amazon your products and they store it in one or more of their million-acre fulfillment centers. The fulfillment centers are like massive warehouses run by robots and hard-working Amazon employees. Then, your products are inventoried and sorted. They are taken good care of. And if on the off chance something is damaged in one of Amazon's warehouses, Amazon will actually reimburse you the full retail price for the damaged good. When a customer places an order on Amazon for your product, Amazon handles the transaction for you. The entire process is automated. Next, your product is picked from its place on the shelves, packed into a box, and shipped to the customer on your behalf. After your product arrives to the customer, Amazon follows up with the customer to make sure everything is okay with the order. And, if any need to be made, Amazon automatically takes care of that, too.